Hello, today we are going to see how we can write a shorthand code for if-else statement. We can also call this ternary operator because it consists of three statements here. What is the syntax? Basically, I initialize one variable here, int a is equal to 15, and here I declare one variable string result, which will store the result produced by this statement. This is shorthand if-else statement. What it is doing here is a condition that is saying a equal to 5. It means that it is comparing the value of a with 15. If it is equal to 15, it will execute this statement. Otherwise, it will execute this statement. It means that the statement that will be executed if this condition is fulfill or it's true, it's here. And if the a is not equal to 15, then this condition will be run. So here I'm printing the result. If a equal to 15, I'll get found. Otherwise I'll get not found, because I'm going to get output in the form of a string. That is why I'm using string variable to store this record. Now let's run this code and check out what we will get. And here is the output window. So let's see. It is found because 15 is equal a, the value of a is 15 and 15 is equal to 15. That is why I get the output found. Otherwise, if here is the value 10 or anything else except 15, then I'll get not found. So this is how you can write. Where in the simple if-else statement, we can replace a multiple line of a code with this single line. So this is the general syntax. Here is a variable and the condition that we want to evaluate, and the question mark with the expression that will be executed if the condition meets a certain criteria, and the colon, and then the expression false. It means that the value or the result or the line of a code that you want to execute if the certain condition is false. So this is how you can write it. So this is also known as ternary operator, and here you can do this work. Thank you so much.